Hi, this is Matt from Prestige Quoting, and this video is intended as a crash course into QuoteWorks for ISL. Not intended as a training video or any sort of deep dive, but just a quick overview of some of the functionality you'll be getting. So if I go ahead and log into QuoteWorks, we are integrated with ConnectWise, so I can search for either the company name or a contact name and pull all of those results into QuoteWorks, which is important because when we save a document and we might want to be updating things in ConnectWise, such as sales opportunities or follow-up activities, it knows which company or contact that needs to be assigned to. In terms of our product integration, we can either dive in and have a look at our products and services that might already be in ConnectWise, and we can pull those through into QuoteWorks. Or I've got my distributor integration, and I've done a bit of a here's one I've done earlier. So in this case, I'm actually searching for a specific part number. And if I go and get the live pricing, it will return the pricing and in brackets the availability of that particular item. So as well as searching for a part number, I can also search for something generic, so I'll just search for something like an EliteBook i7, and it will then go ahead and return all of the results that match that criteria, and I have the ability, if I wish, to apply various filters. So in this case, things such as screen size or maybe standard memory, for example. For some of our items, we're able to view accessories, and these are going to be elements that I might want to be presenting as part of the quote, things like docking stations, carry cases, that are compatible with that core product that I can be presenting on my quote as, would you like fries with that type options. If I go to a here's one I've done earlier, here I can see an example quote, and this contains a mix of one-time and recurring services. It also contains options, and there are various heading lines to separate the quote and make it easy to read. What we're looking at on this screen is very much our internal view, and all this information would be presented in our customized templates. If I go to my Quote Valley tab and just have a preview of the customer facing page, here I'm able to see how that information in QuoteWorks would appear to the customer. So this is very much a preview containing the customer information, the user information, a copy of the PDF, things like validity periods, all of the core product information with images if I've chosen to display them. If an item is monthly or recurring, that's clearly displayed. Going on to those options that I'm presenting, and then through to client acceptance. Delivering quotes via Quote Valley allows me to view all of my clients' interactions with my quotes. So in my dashboard here on the test document that we've been working on, I'm able to see all of my interactions, i.e. when I might have uploaded a document, going through to all of the client interactions in green. So I can see all the times clients might have viewed quotes. Something has happened, so after 7 days, a client has gone to look at the quote there once more. And having this sort of insight really gives me powerful business information. Perhaps, after 7 days, it might be appropriate for me to be contacting the client in this case. I haven't actually gone through during testing and done any updating of sales opportunities and things, because this is looking at your live system. So certainly during the training, we'll be having a look at each of these options, what they do, and when they would be appropriate to use. So things like if I created a sales opportunity, that would not only create the opportunity, but it would also send across all of the line item information into ConnectWise as well. So again, just a 5-minute crash course, bit of an insight into the sorts of features Quoteworks is going to bring to the organisation, and we had a quick look at some of the client-facing templates. Look forward to seeing you on Thursday.